Yesterday we have done chapter number 6, ratio and proportion, exercise number 6b, question number 1 and 2. We have learned the cross product rule. Cross product rule is used to compare two ratios, and we have learned about means and extremes, that middle values are called means proportion and the outer values are called extremes proportion. Now today we will do related questions, question number 6, 7 and 8. Let's start with question number 6. Question number 6 is, use the cross product rule to determine which of the following ratio is greater in each of the following cases. There are three parts of this question. I will do first and third part and you will do second part. Ratio is 4:7 and 1:2. Okay. When we use cross product rule, it will be 4 into 2 and then 7 into 1. We will get 8 and here we get 7. So we can clearly observe that using cross product rule, ratio 4:7 is greater. Or you can also use means and extreme procedure, like 4 into 2 and here we have 7 into 1. So we conclude that 4:7 is greater than 1:2. Now let's see another part. 6:11 and 7:12. It can be written as 6/11 and 7/12. Using cross product rule, 6 into 12 and 11 into 7, we get 6 into 12 and 7 into 11. We can see that we can see that 6:11 and 7:12 is greater. 6:11 is less than 7:12. Now question number 7. Find the fourth proportion to 2, 3 and 6. They have given you 3 proportion and you have to find the fourth one. So we will suppose that let the fourth proportion will be x. Now we can write it as 2:3 and 6:n. Now means multiply by means and extremes multiply by extremes. 2 into n is equals to 3 into 6. Now 3 6 are 18. Here 2 is multiplying by n. We will divide it here in the other side. So 2 1s are 2, 2 9s are 18. So n is equals to 9. It means that our fourth proportion is n. Number 8. Determine the mean proportion between 4 and 9. Now here you have, let the mean proportion be n. We suppose that mean proportions are n. Writing it in the mean proportion form, we will multiply the extremes. As you know that we multiply the extremes. So 3 6 are 4 9s are 36. Here we have 2 means, so we will write 2n. 2 is multiplying here in the other side of the equal sign. So it will divide here. So n is equal to 36 divided by 2. 2 1s are 2. Means multiply by means is equals to n square. N square is equals to 4 into 9. 4 9s are 36. Okay, we want the value of n, single mean. So for that, what will we do? We will taking square root on both sides. Square to square root cancel because the value of square root is 1/2. And here also 36 can be written as 6 into square. Square to square root cancel. N is equals to 6. So it means your mean proportions will be 6. That's all. These are question number 6, 7 and 8. You can ask in the comment box if you have any problem.